Bonjour everyone, Madam Blue here. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, hi. I can never get that right. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. If you are not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. So today we are going to do, as you can tell from the title, my curly hair routine. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but y'all know I work in a suite. You can hear other people. So I'm gonna get right into how I do my curly hair. First of all, I forgot to put my eyelashes on before I shampooed my hair, so I'm gonna have eyelashes on in the intro and not any eyelashes now. Second of all, my sink is broken, so I literally had to take the little thing from the bottom of my sink off so that it can fall, the water can fall into a bucket. Because trying to wash my hair, I think it took me, I don't even know how long. The first 17 minutes I waited for the water to drain down, and that was just from rinsing my hair. My sink just decides in the last 2 weeks of me using it, it wants to act up. I don't know. So I'm pretty much a one-trick pony with my natural hair. I know how to do a wash and go, and that's it. I don't know nothing else. Oh, I'm like, what is that on my screen? I don't know how to do nothing else. The product I'm going to use today, which this is a new one. It's all dirty, y'all. I'm sorry. This is a new container. Like I've used this before, but I noticed this one seems to be looser, because when I've used it before, it was kind of sticky, which I like that. It seemed to be a stronger hold, but this particular bottle is not. And then I'm going to be using the matching gel. So I have used these products before. Now when I first did my wash and go, this is the gel that I used, and I used whatever wrap lotion I had at the time. I'll call that wrap lotion. Some people call it foaming lotion. I call it wrap lotion. So I used whatever I had at the time. So I did like how it was, but the second time I did my wash and go, I tried another gel, and I liked that one better. So I had just been using that one. So this will be my second time using this. I'll see if I like it better. I'll use more gel, because the first time I didn't use a lot of gel. The hold was good, but I feel like it was more shrinkage compared to the other gel. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna show y'all how I do it, then I'm gonna just speed through it. So I just washed and conditioned my hair. I hope it's clean, but I only shampooed my hair twice. I did not use my medicated shampoo this time because I didn't feel like it. Just too many steps. I didn't have the time. All right, so I don't part my hair. I have not detangled it. If you need to detangle your hair, then go ahead. As you can see, I'm just doing this with no problem. My hair was straight, so it wasn't tangled up before I washed it, and then as I wash it, I detangle it. So I usually start in the back, and I will comb it out as I go. I try to keep my hair as wet as possible. Like after I rinse out the conditioner, I literally squeeze out the ends, only because I have my head upside down instead of laying backwards, and I don't want to drip all over my face. But I try to keep it as wet as possible. If your hair dries too fast, then keep a water bottle. So I go ahead and comb it out. Let me turn around. I go ahead and comb it out. I take wrap lotion. I actually kind of use a lot. And I coat that entire section, and I make sure to get it on the roots too. Now I've never just used this by itself. I always put a gel on mine because I need mine to last a couple of days. I don't do that. I don't like it. I like it crunchy in the beginning, so it can give me a lot of days out of it. So after I do that, I take the gel. I hope I'm doing this good. I'm looking in the mirror, so I hope I do this right. So I put that on there, and then I should have put a cape on because my hair's on. I go through that section I have, and then I individually pull my hair, kind of rake my fingers through my hair and smooth it down. And I just let it naturally do what it's gonna do. but I make sure it's not any like big clumps of hair stuck together. At the end, I do shake it out. I'll show that too, but by the time I get done, it's gonna be shrunken up so much. And that's what I do on my whole head. Simple. Then I sit under a dryer. I'm gonna put my front up. I'll show you when I get to the front. I don't like to normally leave it down, because if I leave it down, I'll have a situation like this, and I actually don't like hair in my face. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and speed it up and do that process over my whole head. So how about, I noticed weeks after recording this video that I recorded this whole section in slow motion. So 6 minutes of slow motion video I had to try to speed up as best I could. So yeah, that's why this footage is a little like slow fast looking. Okay, so I'm done. Now if I was to wear my hair down, I would wear it like this. I would bring more over. Kind of do it like this. But I don't really like hair in my face at all. So I did it like that twice and I was like, I'm over it. So I'm gonna be childish. And I'm gonna put 2 pom-poms right here. Right back. So I have a brush. I literally just used it on my little cousin Sunday. And I don't know where it's at. Okay, so I'm gonna part it down the middle as best as possible because I cannot do a middle part. And then I'm gonna put it in a ponytail. I know some people don't like rubber bands. I don't know how to keep hair ties. So I mean it is what it is. I'm trying to get them even. I never can. Okay. I'm gonna let it dry loosely. So I'm not gonna put them in a bun until it's dry. After I do that, I make sure that wrap lotion and sometimes a little bit of gel is on my edges. And that took me 20 minutes. I was watching YouTube. The video I was watching is at 22 minutes. So I have one more step, and that is to shake what my mama gave me. I like to put this towel on my face because I don't want to get nothing on me. So I do this step because it helps to separate the curls instead of just having a big clump of curl. Um, and I just wanted to include this slow motion video because I just love the slow motion footage. Now this is my favorite thing to do whenever I do my hair straight or curly. Okay, so I'm back, you guys. This is what we have fresh off the dryer. I can tell this part right here is not as, it's probably fuzzy, or it's gonna get fuzzy fast because it's not hard. So I was under the dryer for like an hour and a half. That dryer is gonna be the one to always take you out. And then I just take this, take my hair. I'm gonna make this taller. I just take my hair. Okay, let's look at these curls though. Come through curls. And I like this wet, crunchy look. Like right here, this gonna fuzz up fast, but this gonna give me a couple few days before I have to redo it. So that's why I like to do mine like this. And then I just make a little loose bun. Okay, let's go. And that's it. My buns are not even. But put another one on this one. I'm gonna put another rubber band on this one because I need to make it a little bit smaller. I don't typically fluff it up, but I do want, like, I don't want it to be flat in these buns, so I am gonna just pull it up. But I don't pick it, I don't do nothing. I want it to naturally do what it's gonna do. And that's it, I'm done. So I don't remember what I just said, but this is my straight to curly routine. My hair, I just straightened it. You'll see that video probably before you see this video, and as you can see, it went back to curly, no problem. So this is typically how I wear my curly hair. I know it's childish looking, but I don't really like hair in my face, so I just put these two little balls, and yeah. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video of my curly hair routine, and make sure you go ahead and click that notification button so that you know when I upload. Make sure you check out all my other videos, and TTYL. And here I'm just showing y'all the natural progression of my hair over the days. Usually by day 5, I can go after 5 days, but usually by day 5 I'll be over it. So yeah, I usually get about 5 days out of it, and then I call it a day. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching again. As a reminder, my ebook is on sale for $25, as well as I am selling my virgin hair benders. I have 2 on my website right now. By the time you see this, there will be a 3rd. So if you're interested in that, make sure you visit my website at www.madamblue.net.